Hello everyone, did you miss me? Well, it's been a long time, but my iPhone is running out of space on it, so I'm not gonna be uploading most videos, but it's exciting to see me again for so long. Yeah, it's been quite some time. You've never been seeing my videos. Yeah, you've never been seeing my videos because guess what? I don't have a YouTube channel. He does. Who made him have it? Just stop that video right now. Just stop it! Okay. I know exactly how to ruin his YouTube channel. I know exactly how to do it. Oh, I know exactly how to do it. Look at this. What did he sew? What did you just do? I sewed them. The video. Come look at it. Why did you have to show people that? Oh. It's so hilarious. Great. My YouTube channel is done. Okay. Goodbye, everyone.